Today I'm going to make some chopsticks slash stabby sticks. Alright, come along. First step, take some 12-inch stainless rod, cut it in half, and we're going to throw it in the forge. Okay, I'm going to start my taper. Start back here so that this area stays thicker so that it'll hold the heat longer. So if I start the taper here, then it's going to cool off real quick. So I'll start back here, keep the mass and the heat up here. Just going to straighten things out. Okay, so now we have a nice round taper, and I'm going to turn this back end that started out as a round bar, I'm going to turn it into a square bar, just to give it a little bit of texture, something to hold on to. So I got a little bit of a square on the end, so I think that's going to help out a lot. So next I'm going to try to do some designs up here. I have a guillotine tool with a little fullering tool, so I'm going to try to maybe do like a little fuller on the end or two fullers, give it some kind of detail. So I've fullered 3 little spots, so kind of isolated these little knobs, so that's going to give good grip. And so now I think it's pretty much done. I'm just going to clean it up, straighten it out, and kind of finish off these little tapers so everything looks nice and neat. Alright, so I did notice that when I got to a taper that was too small, I had a little bit of cracking. It's hard to, I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, see on the end it's a little cracked. So what I'm going to do is take it to the grinder after these cool down and kind of get past the crack and then finish off the tip so it has a nice look to it instead of this garbage. Also, I noticed that my knobs at the end were a little, oh, here we go, here we go. They were a little bit long. This one's longer than this one, so I'm going to take it to the grinder and kind of even that out as well. All right, let me cool these off and then I'll show you the next part. All right, so like I said before, I need to even these out and get rid of the crack. Crack is whack. All right, guys. Beeswax on there to give it a nice blackened blacksmith finish. They're stainless steel, so they should turn black. Hopefully, I don't know. I've never done this. We'll see what happens. All right, I don't want to get it too hot. Oh shit! It was hot wax. That was it. So I am pretty happy with the way that turned out. After I burned myself with the beeswax, it turned all the sanded parts black, and then I hit it on the buffer just to, you know, highlight the high spots. So I think they came out a decent size. I'm pretty happy with everything, and also they serve as weapons, so that's nice. Oh, while I was waiting, I made a fancy little boy bracelet. So, you know, win-win.